How to fix your WhatsApp chat backup getting stuck when you're uploading to Drive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your WhatsApp's chat backup getting stuck while uploading to Drive. Now, there can be many reasons for it, and one of that might be your internet. So if your backup is getting stuck at a certain percentage, the reason can be your internet speed. So make sure that you have a strong internet connection. You can try to reconnect it to your internet connection, and or you can just head over to your airplane mode, turn that on and turn it off again, and reconnect again to your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have an internet connection and not just your Wi-Fi getting connected to the network. After doing that, if it still gets stuck, what you can do is you can just head over to your settings. Head over to your settings, scroll down till you find general, and under general you will see iPhone storage. Head over there. Now after you're here, you will need to search for WhatsApp. So I'll just search for WhatsApp here, head over there and offload the app. So simply offload your app and reinstall it. What this will do is that it will free up the storage used by the app, but it will keep its document and data. Ultimately, it will just remove your cache. After it's done that, you can head over to your backup and again try to back it up again. And if it still gets stuck, the reason can be your drive getting full of storage. So what you can do is head over to your drive, and after you're on your drive, tap on the three lines on the top left, and there you should see your storage. Now check if you have enough storage, and if you do not have storage, tap on get more storage and you can buy storage. Now if you do not want to buy anything, what you can do is you can simply head over here, head over to the trash, and on your trash you can remove whatever it is in it. So you can empty your trash, or you can simply delete whatever you want from your drive. So you can make space by deleting stuff from your drive. And after doing that, your WhatsApp should start backing up. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. That is all. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.